Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video. Today we're going to try out this app called VRM dollplay for PC. It's a free application that you can use to make poses for your VRM model. If you are a VTuber and you have a 3D model and it's VRM, then you can certainly use this for free to make interesting poses for thumbnails and such. So where I go from here is that I use this application a lot for my thumbnail. Well, mostly my thumbnails. Whenever I go 3D, and it really depends. It's very easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to use it. For today, we're going to install it. And I show you how to install it, and also how to use it. It's very easy. Everyone can use it. So yeah, let's go. So what we're going to do today is go to this website. It's boot.pm. I will put a link on the screen so you can see. And since it's free, and don't worry about the Japanese one. If you want, you can use DeepL to translate it. But yeah, let's go download it. And it's downloading. You can see it, guys. So BRB, and I show you how to install it. Okay, as you can see, it's already downloaded. So open the folder. Here's the folder. What we're gonna do now is maybe put it in compressed. Find a place where you want to put it. And I chose this one. So what we're gonna do next is extract files here. I'm pretty sure you guys got your own extractor, right? Sometimes the Windows has their own extractor, but I use WinRAR for it. Some people use Zip7zip if you guys have that. But yeah, here we go. So what we're gonna do next is double click VRM doll PC version, and also Windows protection, of course. I mean, it's just normal. Just click info run. So what we're gonna do next is wait for it to launch, and oh my god, it's huge, as you can see. So in order for you guys to see, I'm gonna resize it. I mean, you can always resize it like this so you guys can see what are you looking at. Okay. So what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna drag our VRM model. You can also use FBX, PNG, JPEG, GLB. It's for other 3D models if you wanna drag your 3D models here. So I'm gonna look for my 3D model. Here we go. If you see your model has a VRM, just use that, drag that over here. Look, hold, and then drag that over there, and poof, something will pop up, and then press load, and there you go. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. I think right now my model is lagging. I'm not sure if it's handling too well. As you can see, yeah, it's not handling too well because I'm using this currently. So if you want to customize your poses, you can. I mean, also you can use a Vroid hub to upload your VRM model through here. And also this one, it depends on your computer if you can handle 4K, and this is PNG mode. I mean PNG if you want the screenshot to be a PNG. Yeah, just choose whichever you like. And then once you're done with that, you can snap a photo and save it somewhere that you like it to be saved. So well, how we are going to post them is easy. So just click this blue balls here, and also we can change the size of the balls, like bigger or small. Small is good. There we go, because you can just easily see what you're trying to do. Blue is like this. Green is like this. Red is like twist. Well, you know what I mean. Control Z to go back, and then here, there we go. You can also do this. Oh wait, maybe I got something like this. You guys know where this is from? Yeah, there we go. Also, the whatever object you got in here, it's gonna show up. Like this floor, it's gonna show up. So what you're gonna do is like click the floor and then press delete. And also, if you want to drag things around, you can press move, and you can drag it up and down or wherever you want it to go. But let's delete that. Also, this the rotate. This is your controls, and redo and undo. You can reset, and it's gonna reset, go back to its former glory, like it's a default pose. Also, these are the shadows if you want it, and if you think the light is not enough, you can also do that, like over here. Like you can just put out the light a little bit and then add more light to have that dynamic look, I guess. Then more light, get a bit brighter. It really depends on how you want it to go. And also the background color, you can change it up. Since I'm pretty much in gray, you can actually see me. Oh my god. Oh, green. I feel like this is fine. Yeah, it's too blue. I think this is fine. There we go. If you're satisfied with this pose, or also there's an effects run here. You can like depth, field, blur, vignette, temperature, chromatic if you want to put that, and bloom. Make your model shine brighter like a diamond. But yeah, this is how you do it. It's easy. Like right click is for like dragging. Left click is for clicking stuff. And oh yeah, the faces, the facials, okay? To be honest, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, you can save your poses here, and also the scene if you want to, like the background or objects you want to put in this. Like, for the face, you can just do this like O, U, or fun, joy, sad, surprise. And then you can look down. Well, for me it's like I use this green ball. With this green ball you can like move around your eyeballs around, like left and right. Pretty nice, not gonna lie. It helps to position where your character is looking at for better pose. There you go. And after that, you can also try full if you want to customize it a little bit with combination of like surprise and angry, and oh, this is the bro, like that, angry, joy, like angry joy at the same time. It's like fun. It doesn't look good. Oh, and this one here is the right hand and the left hand. Like it's for the fingers. Like there's a thumb for the right. You can do a fist if you wanna. There we go. Well, for the thumb, it was like this. Yeah, like that. For this guy, if you want to, maybe the middle one. There we go. You can just do that gesture. Yeah. And once you're done with that, if you're fine and satisfied with this, you can save it, take a photo, save it, and save it on your screenshots if you have one. And it depends on what kind you're gonna save. It's a PNG or 2K. It really depends. So let's go to our screenshots. Here you go. Oh, if it's JPEG, it's not gonna be transparent. It's gonna be like this. Okay. I didn't use JPEG that much, so if ever you want to put like a custom background or something like that, you can just use JPEG. Or if you got like a 3D model, that will stay still. But if we're gonna do PNG, we're gonna do that and whoop, and it's going to be, there we go, transparent. I mean, look at this boy. Well, I recommend, it's gonna be blurry, but I would recommend to use the 4K if your computer can handle it. Let's try it again. See the quality. Okay, which is it? Oh yeah, there we go. It's much better. See the difference? It's kind of like a clearer than the other one. But yeah, that's how you use it. It's pretty fun once you get used to like the whole thing. And also you can make like funny poses if you want to. Yeah, it's very useful. It's a very useful application to use. It's a very fun application to use. So, well, if you guys have fun or like interested in using the application, just go to this website again. I will link it in the description. It's for free. You can do whatever with it. I mean, look at that. You can do a lot of poses with your friends, or if you have friends that has 3D and do a collab. It's very useful and it's free. Only free, guys. Also, if you want to like support them, you can also donate if you wanna, like this year, or gift. There's a gift system. Very nice. So yeah, go ahead and use it. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my video. It really helps to spread the video. Let the algorithm, like, you know make it spread. And also don't forget to leave a heart too. But yeah, bye bye everyone. Hope to see you again to another tutorial. And if you guys have any application for me to try out, please don't hesitate to share it to me. Okay, bye bye.